Filed in court is an application for enforcement of human rights, and I'm challenging the remedy of restitution of conjugal rights. This remedy is provided under Section 20 of the Divorce Act, whereby if a husband and wife, that's legally recognized people, that's a married couple, if your colleague or your partner does not offer you intimacy, the law allows you to go to court and you obtain an order for restitution of conjugal rights, whereby this partner would be ordered by court to give you that intimacy that you entitled to legally. So this restitution of conjugal rights, it's archaic. It comes from a very old law. The Divorce Act was enacted in 1904. For God's sake, before even our independence. Most countries where we borrowed these laws from, like England, it has been outlawed because they say it's not in line with the current democratic rights that are attributed to human beings. It is inhuman for court or any law to direct someone to give human company or intimacy to another when they don't want to do it. Basically, when you get married, it doesn't take away your constitutional rights because your rights are inherent. You're born with these rights. The moment you become a human being, you have your rights. So the moment you get married, it doesn't mean that you can't have your right to privacy. Well, when you get married to a partner and someone withdraws their company from you and you feel it is too much for you, we have a remedy of divorce. It is cruelty, because by the mere fact that my wife decides to no longer give me her company, it means she's fed up. So you better part ways and she moves on. But if you cause them to give you that company by way of a court order, it will have serious consequences. She will not, of course, let's say if she conceives, will that child have parental love? If she conceives, she may decide to cause abortion. Like I've said, I will have to use self-help. That will lead us to rape. So are we willing to see courts emphasize more hardship and criminality than ensuring that there is fairness and respect for people's norms and values? Within our culture as Ugandans, which the Constitution mandates court to respect under Article 126, that justice is administered in respect of our rights, norms, and values. As Africans, we don't entertain forcing others to intimate with you. That's why you see in most cases, courts sometimes allow divorces because you realize the relationship has irretrievably broken down and you can no longer keep these two people together.